Is this good up here? What's up guys, I'm Jordan and this is my bike check. Starting off on the frame, we've got the Range A3 Aluminium 2018 in the ruby red colour. I'm running a Rockshox Deluxe at the back, 150mm travel. Yep, up here on the chopper post we've got a Trans-X 225mm with a Factor black seat. Specialised bottle cage, you know, on those long rides you got to stay hydrated, we all do. Starting on the drivetrain, we've got a Race Face 32 tooth chainring with the 1-up components bash guard. We've got the jet black ultralight pedals and the Face Aeffect cranks. Moving on the back, we've got the Sunrace cassette with the SLX derailleur, Shadow Plus. With the brakes, we got the Tektro Orion AFs and we've got the standard Tektro 180mm discs at the back. Moving on the front, so I've cheaped out on the stem. I bought myself an eBay stem. It matches the bike. It's got a nice gold sort of tinge to it. I like it. Moving on to the bars, we've got the Renthal fat bars, the V800 by 40mm rise. I've got the SLX shifter and I've got the Tektro Orion brakes front and back. I've got the Box 1 lock-on grips with the gold rings. Moving on to the forks, we've got the Rockshox Yaris, the 160mm travel. The rims, we have the WTB STP I29s. I am running a 29er bike. I like it, not a lot of people do, but that's just my choice. I'm running a high roller front and back. Not a lot of tread left on it, but I'm due for new tyres anytime now. Running mucky nuts, mud guards front and back. We're running a Novatec up the front, and we're also running the Novatec hub up the back. Nice and loud, not too clicky. Nothing like I hope, I'd say, but it's nice for what it is at the moment. So let's have some cons to the bike. Fortunately, there's not too many cons on this bike. There's only two primary ones that I can think of just off the top of my head. Starting at the back, we got the hub. Be prepared to spend a lot of money replacing the driver out the hub. I've had to replace it 3 times within the 11-month lifespan it's had so far. They're not too expensive, especially for Novatec, since they're a pretty cheap company. Which is a bit unfortunate for Norco, considering they always put relatively high spec components on their bike. The other con, really, it sort of happened due to just poor maintenance on my end, but it was sort of the bike as well. One of the linkage bolts at the back has created a huge dent in the back. I can show you, here it is. So the photo will be up on screen of that massive dent in my frame. That's what happens when poor maintenance takes a hold of you. I didn't tighten up the linkage bolt enough, which means it scratched the frame each time I landed. But that doesn't matter, I did cover it up with a sticker, so it looks a lot better now. Anyway, thank you for watching the bike check, and on screen now are some clips of me shredding the beast. Thank you very much.